Pumpkins are popular due to their high nutrient content. They favor the hydration of the hair and stimulate the circulation of the scalp, which keeps the hair healthier and also stimulates its increase. Here, you'll find the best pumpkin hair mask recipes for healthy hair. Pumpkin contains antioxidant properties and is rich in vitamins such as A, B, C, E, and beta-carotene. It also contains minerals that offer excellent benefits for your skin and hair. Specifically, it is rich in potassium, which encourages the growth of the hair follicle. Benefits of pumpkin hair mask. Hydrates the hair. Pumpkin contains potassium, vitamins B, iron, vitamin C, and E that moisturize the hair and potassium that stimulates its growth. You can make a conditioner or mask for the hair. Strengthen hair. Pumpkin has vitamin A, which helps hair grow healthy and strong and influences the production of sebum, the hair's natural moisturizer. Controls hair loss. Pumpkin is perfect against hair loss and hair regeneration due to the zinc it contains. Strengthen hair follicles. Being rich in vitamins A, E and C and minerals potassium, copper, magnesium, and zinc, it stimulates the circulation of the scalp, strengthens the follicles and therefore keeps the hair healthy and stimulates its growth. DIY pumpkin hair mask recipes. 1. Pumpkin and yogurt hair mask. Natural yogurt is one of the most used ingredients when it comes to strengthening hair. Mixed with pumpkin, it acts as a conditioner due to its moisturizing properties that also prevent hair loss. Ingredients: 1 cup of pumpkin puree. 1 cup of plain yogurt. How to use: mix the pumpkin puree with the yogurt and prepare a paste. Apply the mixture to damp hair and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse and wash your hair with plenty of warm water. Apply once a week if you have dry hair or every 15 to 20 days if you have oily hair. 2. Pumpkin and aloe vera hair mask. Aloe vera is a powerful ingredient to strengthen hair. Also, mixed with pumpkin helps to strengthen it and repair split ends. Ingredients: 1 cup pumpkin puree. 1 cup of aloe vera pulp. 1 tablespoon olive oil. How to use: place the aloe vera, pumpkin puree, and olive oil in a bowl. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and apply gently on the hair. Let the mask stand for 20 minutes and then rinse with plenty of warm water. 3. Pumpkin and vitamin E hair mask. Vitamin E nourishes and moisturizes the hair, especially if it is damaged or brittle. It brings shine and softness. Ingredients: 1 cup of pumpkin puree. 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. How to use: in a bowl, mix pumpkin puree, cinnamon, vitamin E oil, and coconut oil. Apply throughout the hair. Put on a plastic cap for about 30 minutes. Wash and rinse your hair as usual. You can make this mask once a week. 4. Pumpkin and coconut oil hair mask. Coconut oil helps to reduce the loss of protein in damaged hair. Also, it contains several proteins that mixed with the pumpkin easily penetrate the hair shaft. Ingredients: 1 cup pumpkin puree. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. How to use: in a bowl, mix pumpkin puree with coconut oil. Then, stir both ingredients until they are well integrated. Comb the hair and divide it into 8 sections. Apply the mask in each section with a hairbrush. Then, cover the hair with a plastic bathing cap and let the mixture act on the hair for 20 to 30 minutes. After this time, rinse your hair with warm water to open the hair follicles and then cold to close them. Finally, wash with your usual shampoo. 5. Pumpkin and egg hair mask. Eggs contain several enzymes that help remove excess fat. Therefore, this mask is perfect for removing sebum from the scalp. Ingredients: 1/4 cup pumpkin puree. 1 egg. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 tablespoon of milk. How to use: mix the ingredients well in a bowl and apply it to the previously wet hair. Let the mask work for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove with water and repeat the procedure once a week.